Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself an Instagram post using Canva. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to canva.com and log in into your account. It's the official website of Canva. Once you do that, where it says search, you want to search for Instagram, alright? So over here, it's showing Instagram, so I didn't have to search for it, but in your case, if it isn't being shown, you need to search. Alright, so I'm gonna click on Instagram post, and it's gonna create myself a window with like just the correct aspect ratio which you need for your Instagram. Now once you do that, over here you can see create a blank Instagram post. You can click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to a blank page which you can design according to your need. Alright, over here this is gonna be my post size. Now what I can do is it's gonna give me a lot of templates over here. Now some I need to buy, some are free, but let's say I want to create a post like this. I can click on this template. It's gonna be added over here, and if I want to change some things over here like this text, I can click on the text and change it to like this, old arrival. And if I want to change the photo, I can just like remove it first. So I'm gonna click on where it says delete. Once I delete the photo over here, let me just delete it again. It didn't work. I'm gonna delete it. Now once the photo is deleted, you can right click on it, and over here you can click on where it says paste to paste yourself a new story, whatever thing you want. Alright, now once the photo is removed, you can choose whichever photo you want to add over here. Now everything over here is customizable. Alright, you can choose a different template over here as well. There's tons of templates. Choose the one which you like, and after you edit everything and make the design you want, you can click on the share icon, and you can click on Instagram, and it's gonna directly upload it on your Instagram, but it's gonna ask you to log in into your Instagram. But if you don't want to do it from over here, you can click on download and click on where it says download, and click on this three dot and click on download. Once you do that, it's gonna start to download. After it's downloaded, you can upload it anywhere you want, whether it's your Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere. But yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself a post to upload on Instagram using Canva. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Bye bye.